everybody? We're here for the latest episode of Driver Battles. And of all the places we picked, it's out here in beautiful Washington at Ridge Motorsports Park. We have William with, of all things, a V8 Corvette, and Raymond with his S2000 supercharged. Tell us about your car. What do you got done to it? How do you plan on taking that V8 power out?
So my car is a 2007 Honda S2000. It's supercharged. Been in my track car for 6 years now.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's longer than most girlfriends. Ooh.
Yes. Yeah,
So you know her like no tomorrow.
I used to drive a NA versions. So I kind of still learning how to handle the power. It's a lot of power, but it's doing good.
Oh, look at that.
It's a TTS supercharger. It's putting out 390.
390.
To the wheels. Yeah, and then I got big wing, cover, speeder, like a really good chat package.
Nice, nice. So it's very comfortable with the NT01s. How do you feel? How do you feel about the NT01s and how it's doing here at the Ridge?
It's doing really good, really consistent.
Nice.
And I just need more time with it. Because it's like my first time using the NT01.
And so far it's been good for you?
Yeah, I like
nice.
it. I like it so much.
There's a rumor around here that's saying you're king of Ridge.
Really?
They said you can run amazing times out here. You think you can take out the king?
Who's the king?
He set it up.
William, tell us about your Corvette.
Same year, 2007 C6 Z06. I also had this car for a while, but ever since I had it, my second track day, the motor just blew right away.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so I rebuilt the motor and then took it out again, but just it overheats so quick that it just sat in the garage. But then the producers reached me out. They're like, we gotta see the Corvette on the show. So I had 26 days to build this from pretty much a stock looking car to this. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
So it's been pretty good today. I think I did more laps today just alone than my combined 5-year ownership at the track.
So after 5 years of pain, you're like, wow, this thing's actually fun to drive.
Yeah.
Why'd you pick a Corvette of all cars?
It kind of checks all the boxes. Pretty light. It's got good engine. It's double wishbone front and back.
That wood?
Yeah, it is.
Wow, impressive.
It's Home Depot.
Oh, nice.
But it holds up pretty well.
So to speak, the poor man's splitter?
Yeah, on a tight budget. But yeah, it's a mildly built motor. It's making 550, which is a lot, but for an LS7, it's pretty conservative. And we got 315 front. 335 rear.
That's a lot of meat. How are you liking the NT01s?
Like you said, it's pretty good for setting up the car.
Nice.
It communicates pretty well and seems to be holding up pretty well against the heat today.
We're about to find out who the king of Ridge is. You're about to see it.
So my favorite part of the track is turn 1, turn 3, turn 2, 3, 4. Because that if you mess up the turn 1, it will mess up everything after. So you have to take a really good speed into turn 1 and then carry on the speed to 2, 3, 5. So then it will really matter for the lap time.
So I'm running these 315, 335 Nitto NT01 around the Apex SM10 RS. They're made specifically for time attack to be as light as possible for the lower unsprung mass. The NT01, it was nice and easy, and it really lets you load up the sidewall a little bit, but when it lets go, it's predictable, and it's a good tire to set up your vehicle on.
Here are the results of the latest driver battles. You have the 4-cylinder supercharged S2000 versus the V8 Corvette domestic power. The King, Raymond, versus
Bandit.
the Bandit.
New king.
Will, I saw you out there. You were running and running and running. First time you're able to run multiple laps.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
After 5 years of ownership with this vehicle, right? How did those laps feel? You think you had what it took to take out the King?
The car's faster than I thought, so I hope so. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So you think you took him out? You think this belt belongs to you?
Let's do 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10?
Yeah,
Wow,
yeah.
I like the confidence.
I gotta be a little humble.
All right, here we go. Who won? With a time of 1:45.962, okay? And another time of, wow, that's a big difference, okay. And another time of 1:49.979, the winner of the driver's battle and new king. Congratulations. Yes. Yeah, you bow down to him. He is the king of the ridge.
New king. Good job.
Thank you.
My condolences, Raymond. If we come back here next year, are
Yeah.
you gonna take
He's
him out?
usually way faster than me.
I think I need to buy a Corvette. It will fix the problem.
No replacement for displacement.
If you think you got what it takes to dethrone me, then you can sign up in the link below.
Be sure to like and subscribe on the Driving Line YouTube page. Make sure to press a like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching. I'm Kristen Klein, Driving Line's Editor-in-Chief. Driving Line brings you weekly episodes and series, so hit subscribe. Don't miss the next video with more automotive content that fuels you. We'll see you out there.